This is the window we just installed here. As you can see, it's a new Pella, the best window in America. Pella. Caulking windows after installation.
So here we are caulking between the brick mold, as you can see here, and the window frame. It is very important when you're installing brick mold around window to caulk between the space.
So we are caulking between the brick mold to the window frame. As you can see here,
We are using DEP 230 sealant white.
that's the way it's looking from a close distance, and you can see, you cannot see the difference here. It's really here. That is the brick mold. This is the frame of the window, and that's the way it's look all the way. So that's the way it's look. If you look at that, you don't see anything here. And also here between the brick mold here, see the brick mold here? The frame, the caulking is here, you can see.